In this video presentation, we're going to cover through-hole headers. There are two types of headers. In the through-hole component family, we have header for right angle post, and header for right angle receptacle, and header for right angle shrouded, post shrouded header. Now I want to make sure that you know that the post, the receptacle, and the shrouded are all in the vertical version. So if I open up the vertical version, here I have my body style first, and I have non-shrouded, shrouded, and receptacle. The difference between these three are simply the 3D model. So if I say non-shrouded, I'm just going to get a regular old stand-up post header that looks like this. What we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and fill in some numbers here because for the sake of the speed of the demo, we're going to do a non-shrouded with a square post, numeric pin number method. And I'm going to show you some features here on how to add, remove pins and how to make multiple rows. I want in the number of pins in the D axis, so D is in the horizontal, I'm going to type in 10. I want 10 there. And I want 3 rows. So I want 10 columns, 3 rows. Then I'm going to have to change my D dimension here. We're going to change it to 30. I'm going to change my E dimension here to 10. And we're going to calculate. There is my header. Now what you would do is you would type in the real D dimension and the real E dimension. Then here's your footprint panel here. Your footprint panel here is to use the manufacturer's recommended hole size and pad size. What we're doing here is we're rounding up, we're in our preferences, our options, we have through hole to be set up into 0.05 millimeter increments for the hole size. So every hole size. So if it's calculated to 0.04 or 0.03, we're going to round it up to 0.05. Everything's in 0.05 millimeter increments. Now, what I wanted to show in this video is that you can take pin 1 and you can put it anywhere you want. And let me show you a trick here. You're in the body style shrouded right now with pin number numeric. I'm going to change the body style to receptacle and watch where pin 1 goes. A receptacle is the opposite of a non-shrouded header. So receptacle here, calculate, and it puts pin 1 up here. Non-shrouded, put pin 1 down there. But in my particular data sheet, let's say that I want alphanumeric rows for my header. Now headers, a lot of connectors can fit into the header category as long as there's symmetry between the body of the part and the edge of the pad. Okay, symmetry. In other words, the pins are equidistant in all the periphery of the package. So I want to put pin 1 over here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my pin pattern here, and I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to pick one of these pin patterns here. All these grayed out pin patterns are not available. Only the ones in blue are available. So I'm going to put pin 1 up here, and I'm going to put the pins going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4 this way, and then I'm going to go ahead and start again this way. So I'm going to say go ahead and do that, and then calculate. So now I got pin 1 up here, my assembly polarities here, my silkscreen polarities here, and I got 1 through 10, 11 through 20. Now let's say that I want to put them in alphanumeric pins. I'm going to drop down the numeric pin order and put in alphanumeric and recalculate. And now I got rows A, B, and C. A1 through 10, B1 through 10, and C1 through 10. Now if I want to remove pin B7, I select it, and then right mouse button, and I can hide or restore it. Restoring would be if it's hidden, then I can go back and restore it. These are what they call keying pins. Sometimes the component manufacturer for headers, they'll remove a pin to get the keying. They'll pull a peg. They'll pull one of the pins from the part for keying purposes. This concludes the video on headers.
Simplify, standardize, and automate an entire IPC and IEC compliant library. Detailed, accurate, reliable, professional. Highest quality footprints and 3D step models, clicks away. Many companies worldwide are easily generating their CAD libraries. You should too. Get a fully functional Footprint Expert Evaluation license for any CAD format and demo today. Contact us at PCBlibraries.com or call 847-557-2300.